The Philippines, the gateway to Asian and Western markets, is one of the fastest-growing economies in Asia. The country's status as an economic and geographic focal point is reinforced by its sizable and talented labor force. The steady stream of highly trainable, well-skilled, and English-fluent workforce makes the Philippines highly competitive. Add to that the reasonable labor costs and government-mandated investment incentives, the Philippines is the ideal launchpad for any business with global or local aspirations. While the country progresses, AyalaLand Logistics Holdings Corporation continues to transform landscapes into dynamic urban centers in the country.
So back in 1990, a vast sugarcane field was converted or evolved into a world-class industrial zone. This is Laguna Technopark. Laguna Technopark is one of the first privately owned industrial parks in the Philippines. Now, after 3 decades, it is now the home of over 270 locators. These are foreign companies and domestic companies, and they occupy from 220 hectares in 1990 to 471 hectares today. We are very proud to say that the Laguna Technopark is an integral part in the economic boom or progress of the Calabar Zone region. So this is the thrust of AyalaLand Logistics Holdings Corp, or AllHC. We create environments that energize and support businesses. We also make sure we develop distinctive and customer-focused industrial parks that are hubs of convergence and economic activity. We also provide logistics facilities that make doing business easier and more convenient. Hand in hand, we work with our investors, with the government, and we are co-catalysts for progress. We open opportunities for growth and development for our locators and for the communities where we are present. So this is the story of AyalaLand Logistics Holdings Corp, or AllHC.
Now, AllHC has set their sights in other regions, continuously expanding in the emerging areas of the country.
Located in the province of Cavite, one of the most industrialized and fastest-growing provinces in the Philippines, we built the Cavite Technopark in the municipality of Nai. It is a 166-hectare industrial park development that caters to light and medium, non-polluting enterprises. It caters to investors that specialize in electronics, automotive, consumer products, food processing, and pharmaceuticals, among others. But it doesn't stop there. We are expanding geographically. AllHC has recently unveiled Laguindingan Technopark, our very first industrial park development in Mindanao. Strategically located beside the Laguindingan International Airport in Misamis Oriental and in close proximity to the cities of Iligan and Cagayan de Oro, this 105-hectare development will cater to light and medium, non-polluting enterprises both from the global and local markets. We will also have another development in Pampanga. Aside from our Alviera Industrial Park in the municipality of Porac, we will now develop Pampanga Technopark in Mabalacat City. Just a few minutes away from the Clark International Airport, this 192-hectare development is highly accessible by expressways and national highways. And not to mention, inside our industrial parks, we also offer ready-built facilities or standard factory buildings to cater to small and medium enterprises. Ranging from 500 to 1,500 square meters, these facilities are already equipped with basic amenities such as loading bays and fire protection system. All this allow the businesses to immediately operate and reduce their capital expenditures. We make it a point that all HC's current and future developments have the core component of being highly accessible from the Philippines' primary international airports, seaports, and national highways.
AllHC's developments are fully equipped to provide businesses with the proper infrastructure and facilities that make doing business easier and more convenient.
The strategic location is very important to us, as well as the infrastructure and facilities made available at the park. We appreciate very well the infrastructures such as well-paved roads. The road network is very excellent. It's a first class. and the sufficient supply of industrial and domestic potable water. Of course, the waste treatment facilities there and the very reliable power supply. Worth mentioning is the safe environment through the security measures being enjoyed not only by the locators and employees, but likewise pedestrians and motorists.
Other amenities that support businesses are adequately provided.
After we visiting all the areas in near the Manila areas, so we found the very industry zones. They already have the existing buildings, and also they already have pesos. As our main products is for export, so we need pesos. So all the guides of how to build up the companies, how to register companies, how to get all the documents from the government, all these things guided. So they will help us. Even now they are helping us for all the things which we needed. Why we chose here is because here is near the Subic port. And also here the transportation, they have AC roads. For the transportation, it's more convenient. And also here the work people, the workers the source is rich.
It's been almost 3 decades since the first industrial park of AyalaLand Logistics has been built. And since then, it wasn't just businesses that prospered. More than 100,000 employees have been employed, and export revenues have reached more than $7 billion as All HC continues to pioneer and break ground. It transforms landscapes into hubs for industrial and logistics convergence, supporting businesses and communities across the country as a partner in sustainable growth and development. When it comes to business, only the best will suffice. AyalaLand Logistics Holdings Corporation, a prime choice for limitless business opportunities.